Good evening once again. Extreme winds across the southeastern part of the continent today. We saw them across Tassie, Victoria and, of course, at home in New South Wales. Have a look at some of the vision coming into the newsroom today. Well, that's not it. That's the Roosters game yesterday against Canberra where the Chooks had a fair few injuries, but I'm not sure if we've got that vision or not. Someone might let me know in my ear. No, we don't have it. So we're going to move on and talk about these winds, which have been absolutely incredible across the southeastern part of the nation. Now, there are two main reasons we're seeing these strong winds. One is the jet stream. Now, the jet stream are the upper level winds right at the top of the troposphere. Now, we've got two jet streams in the southern hemisphere, the subtropical jet stream, you can see it there, and the polar jet stream bending up and over the southeastern areas of Australia. And due to the two jet streams converging, this is exacerbating the winds at the surface. And the second reason we're seeing these strong winds, you can see here we've got quite a tight pressure gradient here with the isobars. That is being caused because we're getting heating now across the northern part of Australia during the beginning of spring, but the ocean is very slow to respond. It's still very cold across the southern ocean, and that's why you've got that very tight pressure gradient across southeastern Australia driving those winds today, which have been humming at 109 kilometres per hour at Cabramatta in the southern part of the state. Mount Boyce, 98 kilometres per hour, and Kurnell, just near the airport, 91. So very bumpy into Sydney Airport today. Those severe weather warnings for damaging winds extend from the Hunter down to the border of New South Wales and Victoria. I'm expecting those warnings to be cancelled through tonight, but remain for the elevated areas overnight tonight into tomorrow, and then it should start to ease for most parts. But for the lower level areas like Sydney, Wollongong, Newcastle, we're starting to see an easing trend in terms of the winds. And this is the reason why. Got a strong region of high pressure moving in and across the state tomorrow. This will stabilise the atmosphere and the environment, and as a result, those winds are starting to move offshore into the Tasman Sea. So a nice day on the way for most areas. Hardly a drop of rain in sight. Could see some early frost patches, though, on the ranges first thing Tuesday. Sunny skies for Brisbane with a top of 25. Sunny skies at Canberra as well. Partly cloudy, dry for Melbourne. 20 degrees for Adelaide and a shower or two for Perth, hitting 21. Speaking of Melbourne, in fact, parts of Victoria saw wind gusts with this weather system at 146 kilometres per hour. That's the equivalent to a Category 2 tropical cyclone. Absolutely amazing stuff. Sunny across the state as we get through Tuesday, as it will be across areas of Sydney. Still a little bit windy up in the Blue Mountains. No surprises there for Katoomba, hitting 14 tomorrow. Southwesters offshore of Sydney, 30 knots, and seas lumpy up around 3 metres. A no-go zone tomorrow. 19, a sunny day tomorrow, mostly sunny Wednesday, and then those warmer temperatures return over Thursday and Friday. 29 degrees for the West Thursday, hitting 30 degrees on Friday. So spring, well, it's in the air at the moment, Suls.
We love it. All right, thank you, Josh. That is the news for now this Monday, the 2nd of September. I'm Sandra, Sully from the team. Thanks for your company. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.